I hope you start your day great. And thank you sa over 2 years or almost 3 years na bond with you. And thank you for being such a reliable friend sa atong circle. And one call away pagkaon. Enjoy your day! Kita kids!
Sweet, happy birthday. Kung sa mga yung goals sa life na ma-achieve yun mo. Tapos, ay nagluod-luod dira. Pag messenger na lang, good. Dito na lang tamo chika. Love you, bye-bye. Happy birthday mo.
Happy birthday day, Berber. Hindi na mga katuig karon. 28, 29, 30. Na, unsa na time na gid mo sa time na nga magbisita na sa mga classmate tapos mga attend sa mga bunyag silang anak. Siyempre kita. Okay, chance. Yeah. Unsa di ay, happy birthday tapos stay healthy, so protect yourself inside and out. So kinahanglan yung vitamin, tapos mag-mask, tapos magawas, mag-face shield, kay required para di maka-files. Tapos kung gabi mag-kondom. Para man to, stay peace, stay yawa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sweet. Wa na dagang storya kay bauna ka. So more food panda and grab food deliveries.
Happy birthday, sweet. Minyo na. Ito na orasa. So, kaya pa man na. Pay pila ka months. Go for gold. Woo! Happy birthday, love you.
Wish you good health and stay healthy o unta ubalik na imong pangrasa o pangsimho.
Happy birthday, sweet. #team allergy.
Hi, sweet. Happy birthday from your tertiary friend. Anyway, I just want to let you know that you are beautiful. Your body is beautiful. And believe in yourself. Check. You can love you always. And go grab that man. Happy birthday. I miss you. Uli na. Tambok na kay ka. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, sweet. I wish you all the happiness in life and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sweet. No dramas and everything because you know I always got your back.
Sweetie bird, happy birthday. Di ko kabalo mag-message. Pakubog mo. Bye. Red horse for life.
Hi Vesh, happy birthday. Hindi na ako mag-long message kay personal na. Charot.
What's up, bitch? Happy birthday to you.
Hi, sweet. Happy birthday. I miss you and more birthdays to come and more fats to come.
Hi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sweet. Artista kayo. Na may mga video greeting. No? Na-filter pa yun ko para sa imo, no? So, happy birthday. Ayaw na si Paniwang kay magmadre rata, no? See you sa kumbento.
Happy birthday, sweet. Wish you all the best and I wish you prosperity in your life. God bless you always. Stay safe and stay negative. God bless you.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita. Yay! Pakpak na yun. Happy birthday, daughter. Happy birthday, sweet. Sabi mo wish. Ako, unta. Maka-uyab na siya. Happy birthday, Seth! Wish lang na mo sa imo nga matuman na imong mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi nga madawat na ka sa imong gi-applyan. Happy birthday!
Wish you. Record na yung mga bros. Kami natakot ta shit. Uli ka didayin ko no.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita. Yay! Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita. Love you.